How to remove your Gmail account from another device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily remove your Gmail account from another device. So first thing, simply head over to your Gmail application and make sure you are signed into your account. And to remove your Gmail account, if it's been signed into another device, what you can do is simply tap on your profile icon at the top right corner over here. So once you tap on it, just click on this Google account option, as you can see. So just click on Google account option and then you'll be redirected to this page where you will have to navigate to your security section and scroll down until you find the option called manage all devices. So simply click on this. Once you click on manage all devices, from over here you can just click on any of the devices from where you want to make sure you signed out or you remove your account. So it will just ask you for your verification and then wait for some time and just click on the sign out button, and it will automatically sign out from for your account from that particular device. So that is exactly how you can easily remove your Gmail account from another device. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.